Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbow Art. You are watching Rainbow Art. Today I am going to show you one of my intricate paper cutting art. This is a love sign. I done it by a sharp knife pen and a color paper. This design is done by me and I cut it very carefully. I sell my artwork. This artwork I done for sale. You can get it with a reasonable price with frame. Please contact me for getting this artwork with reasonable price by mail or by phone. My phone number is given at the starting of this video, or you can get the email address. Just go to the description, you can find there. This is very beautiful for gift to your loved one. You guys always support me. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, and don't forget to contact me for getting this beautiful artwork. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay happy, stay tuned. Thank you.